Hi, I'm John Fletcher. I'm a partner at Charles Russell, and I'm also the head of graduate recruitment. And I've been involved in graduate recruitment, I suppose, for probably 5 or 6 years. There are certain base things that we expect candidates to have, which is a good 2-1 degree and good A-levels. But what I'm looking for over and above that is, I suppose, intellectual curiosity and an enthusiasm and I don't know, a passion for the law, really. Not just going through the hoops of applying for a job and not really being very focused about which particular law firm they're looking for. So someone that thinks on their feet and has a little bit of inspiration, a bit of charisma about them.
What's the biggest application faux pas?
I mean, inevitably, it's a real cliche this, but the biggest faux pas you can make in your application is not to tailor it to the firm that you're applying to. So to apply to Charles Russell and talk about criminal law or something, and we don't do it, or to apply to Charles Russell and talk about securitisation and find we don't do it, but most importantly, not to proofread your application such that it's got typos or inconsistencies. They're easy wins, and it's very silly to get them wrong because it turns off the interviewer, who, when they're looking at countless people, will switch off straight away.
And what advice would you give to students who are considering a career in law?
Do you know, I think that's very difficult because I know and appreciate how difficult it is to get to a training contract. And I think one of the things you've got to do is really ask yourself why you want to become a lawyer and what sort of lawyer you want to be, and then target your applications, not sort of throw mud at as many as possible and hope some of it will stick, but target your applications to those specific firms that do what you want to do and things that interest you and float your boat. Because if you're interested in it, you'll probably be good at it, and you'll probably convince me that you're going to be good at it.